क्या आपको एक गेम खेल के घर बैठे 30 से 50,000 रुपए कमाने हैं? क्या आप भी फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट होना चाहते हो? क्या आप एक सिंपल सा गेम खेल के अपने जॉब के अलावा साइड इनकम जनरेट करना चाहते हो? कभी आपको मन करा है कि आपका एक बड़ा घर हो, बड़ी गाड़ी हो, वर्ल्ड टूर पे जाओ? इस तरह के काफी सारे ऐड आपने रिसेंटली यूट्यूब पर देखे होंगे। हाय एवरीवन, मैं हूं ईशान शर्मा और आज इस वीडियो में आपको बताने वाला हूं द रियलिटी ऑफ सच एड्स दैट यू माइट बी सीइंग ऑन यूट्यूब। रिसेंटली बहुत सारे एप्स एंड प्रोडक्ट्स लॉन्च हुए हैं वेयर यू हैव टू ईदर डू फॉरेक्स ट्रेडिंग या फिर आपको बेटिंग करनी पड़ती है ऑन अ इवेंट। आपको लूडो या फिर रमी जैसे खूब सारे गेम खिलाएंगे वो, एंड आपको वो बोलते हैं कि बाय द हेल्प ऑफ प्लेइंग दीज गेम्स यूजिंग दीज एप्स बेटिंग ऑन इवेंट्स यू कैन मेक एक्स्ट्रा इनकम एंड यू कैन डू दैट फ्रॉम द कंफर्ट ऑफ योर होम। आपने मेरे चैनल पे बहुत सारे वीडियो अगर देखे होंगे तो आप जानते हो कि आई मेक a lot of videos about how can you make money, but you would have noticed this thing that I never really mentioned these apps or these platforms that you can use to make side income. एक बहुत important reason है उसका, and that is I want you to make a living by actually having a skill and not by being dependent on an app or by being dependent on luck. नवल रविकांत बोलते हैं if you really want to get rich you need to have specific knowledge and you need to have accountability. ये दो चीजें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं। accountability we've already talked about, specific knowledge is what you need. अब आप बोल सकते हो कि गेम खेलने में भी तो स्किल लगती है। Well, think about it this way. Playing a game is a zero-sum game. There is a winner, there is a loser, right? And whenever you play zero-sum games, you are bound to lose at some point or another. You can also try out forex trading or trading in general, but there is a statistic that says over 90% of traders end up losing their money. Forget about the profits, they end up losing their money outright. Whereas if you would look at investors who invest their money for a longer time frame, more than 50% of them end up making money. So they are not losing, they are actually having profits. ये जो सारी companies हैं that create all of these apps are based in the Cayman Islands, and because of that no nation can actually take legal action against them, and so you should be very much skeptical when using such applications. Make sure that you understand that. मैं किसी ऐप का नाम नहीं लूँगा यहाँ पे, but आप जानते हो मैं किस apps की बात कर रहा हूँ। Apps that enable you to do trading and make extra income, या फिर आप copy trade कर सकते हो। बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं इस तरह की that you might be seeing on YouTube ads. Please stay away from them if you don't know how they work. If you are only going in क्योंकि वो बोल रहे हैं कि आप अपनी एक्स्ट्रा इनकम बना सकते हो, आप एक बड़ी घर गाड़ी ले सकते हो, please don't fall for that because most likely you will end up losing money. Right? It is called as the Las Vegas effect. If you would go to any casino in Las Vegas, you might think that you can win and you know how the game works. But most likely when you play a game in a casino in Las Vegas, the game will always be rigged. The likelihood of you winning would be much less. अब आप बोलोगे कि हर्षद मेहता का वाला भी तो कोट है, रिस्क है तो इश्क है and all. That is all fine and good in the movies and in the series. But if you think about real life, imagine 1,000 different possibilities of you living in 1,000 different universes. You would not want to be rich in only one of them. You would want to be rich in 99.9% of them. And that's the big problem that I have with such apps. The likelihood of you winning is much lesser on all of these platforms. And that is what I just wanted to share with you in this video. Please focus on skills. मेरे को बहुत सारे emails आते हैं of people saying कि I lost 8 lakh rupees. मेरे पापा ने जो मुझे कॉलेज में फीस भरने के लिए पैसे दिए थे वो मैंने इस ट्रेडिंग ऐप में लगा दिए, मेरे सारे पैसे खो गए भैया, अब मैं क्या करूं, मेरे को बताओ। I feel so bad about all of these things happening, but I just wanted to make this video to make sure that this does not happen in the future. मेरे को बहुत सारे brands approach करते हैं that have similar offerings and they say कि इसे promote कर दो, हमारा ये feature promote कर दो, trading and all. And I've always stayed away from them because I want you to become skilled so that then you can make money consistently over the long period of time, not based on luck, but based on your skill. आज के लिए इतना ही. Make sure that you share this video with your friend and just जागरूक रहो. That's all that I would say. Thanks a lot. You can tag me on Instagram at Ishan Sharma 7390. I will catch you all in the next one. Till then, make sure that you work on your skill and not on the luck element. I'll see you again. Bye.